Grandpa, wake up. Time to exercise.
My favorite exercise is sleeping.
Sleeping is not exercise.
It is for my dreams.
Get out of bed right now.
My knees sent me a resignation letter. You need movement to stay healthy.
I moved my finger yesterday. That does not count.
My finger worked very hard.
Put on your shoes.
My shoes are retired too.
We are going for a walk.
Can we walk to the refrigerator?
Sunlight is good for you.
I already look shiny enough.
Stop making excuses.
I am not lazy. I am energy saving.
Come on, stretch your arms.
Why? I am not catching airplanes.
Touch your toes.
I have not seen my toes since 1998.
Bend your body slowly.
If I bend more, I may never come back up.
Let us do jumping jacks.
Jumping? At my age, are you crazy?
1, 2, 3.
I already feel dizzy at 1.
What are you thinking about?
Run with me in the garden.
I only run when food is ready.
Faster, Grandpa.
My soul is fast. My body is buffering.
Lift your legs higher.
These legs are antiques.
Exercise keeps you young.
Then why do I still look like a raisin?
Because you refuse to move.
My chair loves me too much.
10 more squats.
I already did half a squat emotionally.
That is not real exercise.
My emotions are tired now.
Try some yoga.
Last time I tried yoga, I got stuck on the floor.
I had to call the neighbor to help you up.
That was a teamwork exercise.
Come on, breathe deeply.
I breathe deeply when I smell barbecue.
Touch your knees.
I sent them a greeting already.
You need stronger muscles.
I have strong eating muscles.
Stop talking and move! Talking burns calories too.
Dance with me for exercise.
Last time I danced, the dog barked at me.
That dog has good taste.
Even my dog bullies me now.
5 more minutes.
Those are the longest 5 minutes in history.
You are sweating already.
That is fear, not exercise.
Tomorrow we will jog together.
Tomorrow I will suddenly become busy. Busy doing what?
Watching birds from the sofa.
Grandpa.
Fine, I will exercise a little more.
Good. I am proud of you.
Do I get a reward?
Yes. Better health.
I was hoping for fried chicken.
No fried chicken after exercise.
Then what is the point of suffering?
To live longer with me.
Oh no, more years of exercise?
Exactly.
Somebody save this poor old man!